सर जो भी तनी मनी जनाइयो एकरा ऑन कर दियो।
Hello children, your Arun sir going to teach mathematics for standard 7, and first part we have already discussed percentage. Today I am going to discuss part 2. What is there in part 2 means next exercise. Next exercise in part 2 we are going to discuss, that is the application of percentage. Application. Where how to change fractions into percentage, percentage into fraction, decimal into fraction, ratios into fraction. What if you will get 20 out of 30, what will be the percentage? That we have discussed. In this video we will discuss about the application of percentage, means where that is applied. Same thing whatever I have discussed in the previous video. Just instead of digits or simple question, word problem will be given. So let us discuss exercise 3B. First question number 1A. Exercise 3B. Question 1A. What is there in exercise 3B question 1A? Dear children, wherever word problem is there, read it several times. Then only you will understand the question. The full marks in an examination is 600. Full mark. Full mark in an examination is 600. If a student secures 78% marks, secured mark by a student is 78%. How much does he score? Means full mark is given, secured percentage is given, and you are asked to find the marks. Very easy. No other subject can be as easy as mathematics. See dear children, very easy. 78% of 600. 600 is the total mark and you have got 78%. What to do? Simply 78% of 600. Now 78% means 78 by 100. Of 600, of means multiply 600. 2 zeros cancel and 78 6 jar. 8 6 jar 48. Carrying 4. 7 6 are 42 and 4 46. So this is the total mark. This is the 78% mark of 600. 8 6 are 48, carrying 4, 7 6 are 42 and 4 46. This is the answer. So how easy the sum is. Now let us discuss some more question, then you will come to understand. I will solve question number 4. What is there in question number 4? A man weighs 72 kg. Weight of a man is equal to 72 kg. His wife weight is 25% less than his. Wife is 25% less than the weight of the husband. Yeah, it is not necessary. Some wives are heavier than their husband. But here the wife is lighter than the husband. So, weight of wife (25% less). 25% less. If their son's weight is 10% more than his mother, son's weight, nice question. Son's weight is 10% more than his mother. 10% more than mother. Find the son's weight. Very interesting question. See, husband's weight is given, man's weight is given 72 kg. Wife's weight is 25% less than the husband weight, and son is 10% more than the mother's weight. Find the weight of the son, dear children. First, let us find the weight of the wife. 25% less than 72 means we have to find 25% of 72. Very easy. 25% of 72. 25 by 100 into 72. 25 fours are 100 and 4 1 is 4 and 4 8. Now 25% of 72 is 18 kg and the wife is 18 kg less, means weight of wife. What will be the weight of wife? 18 kg less means 72 minus 18, 54 kg. This understood or not? Very easy or not? That man is 72 kg and wife is 25% less than the husband, man. Means 25% of 72 is 18 kg. Wife is 18 kg less than 72 kg, means wife is 54 kg. Now our question is not that. Our question is son is 10% more than the mother. Means this is mother's weight, 54 kg. Add 10% of 54. First let us find the 10% of 54. 10% of 54. It is 10 by 100 into 54. 1 cancel. Means 5.4 kg. 5.4 kg more than the mother. Then, dear children, what will be the weight of the son? Just add 5.4 kg. And son is 10% more than the mother's weight. Mother is 54 kg and 10% of 54 is 5.4 kg. So, son's weight will be 54 plus 5.4 kg, and that is 59.4 kg, and this is the answer. Is it very complicated question? No. No question. Keep in mind that no other subject is as easy as mathematics. Just in word problem, read the problem. What is given? Some more question we will solve. Then I will give you homework, and dear children, if you are unable to solve, just text me, dear children, text me. Yesterday, one child sent me that, sir, I was unable to solve the question, so I haven't completed the notes. Dear children, whatever you are unable to do, just text me. But don't forget to write your name, class section, and question. Dear children, I will solve, I will help you. Why we teachers are here? We teachers are here to solve your problem. So, next question, let us see some more question. Which question I should solve? Okay, 6th number. Last question in this page, 6th number. Let me solve. What is there in question 6? Suresh spent rupees 560 in the market. If the money he spent was 40% of the money he had, how much money did he have? Try to understand the question. Suresh spent rupees 560 in the market. Spent rupees Suresh spent rupees 560 in the market. If the money he spent was 40% of the money he had, money was 40% of total money. And how much money did he have? Total money is equal to what? Try to understand the question. Read several times. What the question? How much money he has, it is not given. Only it is given that suppose he went to the market and bought something. And the shopkeeper, you have more money in pocket, more money you have. And you have spent, the shopkeeper asked that give me 560 rupees. You paid. And in percentage, that money means 560 rupees was the 40% of the total money. It was 40% of the total money. Whatever total money you have got, that total money was the 40% of the total money. Now a question arises, means only you have spent 40%, means 60% of the total money is left with you. Then find a number whose 40% is 560. Number you are not knowing, total money you are not knowing. But try to understand the concept that what is the total money whose 40% is 560. You are not knowing. And very common, as in mathematics we use, if not knowing, put it x. So let us solve it. Let total money is equal to rupees x. This understood now? And how much you have spent? 40%. Means 40% of x is 560 rupees. Write that only. That according to the question, 40% of x is equal to 560. Once more, try to understand. You have spent 560 rupees and that money is 40% of the total money and you have to find the total money. Total money you have considered X and 40% of X is 560 rupees. So let us find the value of X. The value of X will be the total money and that will be the answer. And how easy to solve it? 40% of X. I have told 40% means 40 by 100. Of means multiply X is equal to 560. Now leave X this side and transfer because we have to find X. Leave X this side and transfer this side that side. Here 40 is multiplied to X, that side it will divide. And 100 is divide to X, that side when it will go it will become multiply. This knowing now? Yes. Therefore, X is equal to, already 560 is this side of the is equal to, I have written 560. X left this side and these numbers are transferred that side. So 100 is divide here, this side it will become divide. Plus, minus, no. Then what it will become? It will become multiply. And this side, this 40 is multiplied to X. That side it will become divide to X. Means by 40. And that is the answer. So easy. Let us calculate it. 0 cancel. 4 1 is 4. And carrying 1. 4 4 is 16. And 14 and into 100 means rupees 1400. And that is the answer. How easy the question is that you have spent 40% money and 40% is the 560 rupees and what is the total money you are asked. So